Drawers can be placed alongside various components, such as shelves and assortment boxes. If you are fitting the drawers alongside a locker, then the first step is to fit the locker before the drawers are added. Instructions for this are available in our locker fitting video. For all other configurations, adhere to the following instructions. The first couple of steps are to fit the shelf that sits at the top of the module and the brace bars. There is a separate video on how to fit the top shelf. To fit the brace bars, attach the bracket plate behind the lip on the leg, screw in the top bolt and hook the bar onto the bolt. Then insert the bottom bolt and secure them both. Move on to fixing the runner brackets. Before you fit your runner bracket, hold it up against the leg panel and work out which leg panel holes you will be securing to. Then add cage nuts to these holes. Cage nuts are secured by pushing in and rotating 90 degrees. Now you can fix bolts to these cage nuts through the holes in the runner bracket. Once all in place, work your way back around, tightly securing each one. The next step is to attach the divider. Fix the cage nuts in the two holes on the top and bottom edges of the divider. Insert the divider in line with the holes in the shelf and the mirrored holes in the brace bar. Add in the fixing plate above the holes in the shelf and screw in the bolts. Then screw the bolts in the mirrored holes on the bottom bar to fix the divider. Focusing on the side you're installing your drawers of the divider, add cage nuts, matching the same positions as the cage nuts as on the leg panel. You can now attach the second runner bracket to the divider. Do this by securing bolts into the cage nuts. Next, attach the infill bar. On both sides, loosely fit a washer and bolt, hook the bar onto the bolts, and then tighten to secure. Ensure the runners in the bracket are all the way forwards, otherwise the drawers will not fit properly. You can now insert the pre-assembled drawers onto the runners. Once the drawer stack is fitted, you can move on to fitting the adjacent component, which could be assortment boxes, shelves, or more drawers. Details on how to fit these elements are available in other MR4 fitting videos.